Using keyframes, I'll show you how easy it is.
Let's bring some movements now to our clips with simple keyframes. For that, highlight the first clip and go to the Effect Controls panel. You can find them under these little arrows if you don't see them at the top. The Effect Controls panel lets you adjust everything about your clip, like position, scale, rotation, and any effects you apply. Perfect. Now, I can explain keyframes in the Effect Controls. Go to the beginning of your clip. Under Motion, you can change the position by clicking on the numbers and moving your mouse left or right. This shifts your clip on the screen. When you click this little back arrow, your settings jump back to the default values. You also have the scale option where you can zoom in and out of the clip. Let's reset the clip back to default, and since your playhead is already on the first frame, you can click the little stopwatch icon next to scale. This creates a keyframe. A keyframe is basically a point that saves a specific value, so Premiere can animate between different values over time. If you move the playhead almost to the end and zoom in a bit, Premiere automatically creates a new keyframe because we're adjusting the scale, and that makes sense since keyframes are added whenever you change a value while animation is enabled. Let's drag this keyframe to the end of the clip. Now let's take a look at the small animation. You see this nice little zoom? That's the process of keyframes. You can do the same with rotation. Go to the first frame of the clip, hit the stopwatch, and then create another keyframe with a little bit of rotation. Let's jump to the second clip now and do the exact same steps again. Keyframes work great when you have very static shots because they help you add a bit of movement to the clip. So go to the first frame and hit the stopwatch. This time we can start by zooming in a bit and then create the last keyframe at 100. That way we get a zoom in at the beginning and zoom out at the end. Drag the keyframe to the end and let's see this. Looks dope. Let's shorten the last clip and let me show you here a simple dolly zoom keyframe effect. A dolly zoom is a simple effect where the clip zooms in while the camera feels like it's moving back, creating a cool, stretchy look. For that, go to the first frame of the clip. Zoom in to around 125 and then set the last keyframe back to 100. You see, in just a few seconds, we've created this dolly zoom effect. That's it. Definitely check out my other effects as well. There's a lot more you don't want to miss. For example, my Essential Preset Pack includes a lot of dope effects, and the Picture Frame Effect Pack is perfect if you want to give your edits a cinematic look. All of these presets are designed to be super easy to use and work perfectly in real projects. All links are in the description. Subscribe for more tutorials and presets.